Namaskaram and Swagatam to Fluent in Malayalam. Today we are going to learn thoroughly how to say what in Malayalam using some simple examples. So let's see that. First example, what is your name? What is your name is ninte Entha. Ninte Entha. Or you can ask Entha ninte. Entha ninte. It conveys the same meaning. Ninte Entha. What is your name? What is it? What is it? Idu Entha. Idu Entha. What is it? What happened? What happened? Endu patti. Endu patti. What do you want? What do you want? Entha Vende. Entha Vende. Or you can also ask Entha Venam. Entha Venam. I would prefer using the first sentence because the second one is little bit authoritative. So Entha Venam and Entha Vende, it means the same. What do you want? What day is today? What day is today? Innu Entha divasam. What day is today? Innu Entha divasam. What time is it now? What time is it now? Entha samayam ippo. Entha samayam ippo. Or you can ask samayam entha ippo. It's just rearranging the sentence. Samayam entha ippo. Okay. What is your favorite food? What is your favorite food? Entha ninte ishta bakshanam. Entha ninte ishta bakshanam. Bakshanam is food. Favorite is ishtam. Ishta bakshanam. What is your job? What is your job? Entha ninte joli. Entha ninte joli. Okay. Joli. Entha ninte joli. What did you do yesterday? What did you do yesterday? Nee innale entha cheythe. Nee innale entha cheythe. Yesterday is innale. Cheyuga means do. Nee innale entha cheythe. What do you have in your bag? What do you have in your bag? Ninte sanjil entha ullathu. Ninte sanjil entha ullathu. Ninte sanjil entha ullathu. Why I wrote sanji here is that, yeah, it is the Malayalam word for bag, but you don't call like your handbag as sanji. It is like if it is a shopping bag, you can say it as sanji. So it is not the other bags, the handbags. Okay. So ninte sanjil entha ullathu. So next one is an exclamatory sentence. So always it need not be a question. Like in this example, what to say? What to say? Endu parayana. Endu parayana. What to say? For what? For what? Endinu vendi. Endinu vendi. For what? Or also in short you can say endinu. For what? It also means the same. For what? Endinu. Okay. Along with what? Along with what? Endinte kude. Along with what? Endinte kude. What is your opinion? What is your opinion? Entha ningalude abhiprayam. Opinion is abhiprayam. Entha ningalude abhiprayam. So that was this short video. You can comment about your abhiprayam in the comment section. I'll be reading that, and please tell me what would you like to learn next so that I can make a video of that. And as always, please hit on that like button and then share. And also, if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe. Nandi for watching. Namaskaram.